I work today. I work today. You work now. You work now. I worked yesterday. I worked yesterday. You worked before. You worked before. I am working today. I am working today. Are you working now? Are you working now? I have worked all day. I have worked all day. Have you worked enough? Have you worked enough? I will work tomorrow. I will work tomorrow. Will you work later? Will you work later? I was working earlier. I was working earlier. Were you working then? Were you working then? I had worked already. I had worked already. Had you worked much? Had you worked much? I will be working later. I will be working later. Will you be working still? Will you be working still? I have been working all day. I have been working all day. Have you been working hard? Have you been working hard? I don't work now. I don't work now. You don't work today. You don't work today. I will have worked by then. I will have worked by then. You will have worked enough. You will have worked enough. I had worked before. I had worked before. You had worked already. You had worked already. I will have been working for hours. I will have been working for hours. You will have been working all day. You will have been working all day. I had been working all morning. I had been working all morning. You had been working since dawn. You had been working since dawn. I am not working now. I am not working now. Are you not working today? Are you not working today? I have not worked much. I have not worked much. Have you not worked at all? Have you not worked at all? I will not work then. I will not work then. Will you not work tomorrow? Will you not work tomorrow? I was not working at that time. I was not working at that time. Were you not working earlier? Were you not working earlier? I had not worked there before. I had not worked there before. Had you not worked with them previously? Had you not worked with them previously? I will not be working later. I will not be working later. Will you not be working still? Will you not be working still? I have not been working lately. I have not been working lately. Have you not been working hard? Have you not been working hard?